Good morning mga anak! How are you? What's that, Daniel? What's anak? I told you many times, anak means children. Okay, you guys are my children when we work together, okay? Anyways, we had a party last night, a Filipino party, so I made sure I brought you guys food, okay? I have here pancit, as you guys know, turon. We have leche flan and dinuguan. It's made of pork blood. That's good? You don't like? Just try it, anak. It's really good, okay? Hello, my dear. What's up? The bladder scanner? Over there. There, oh? Psst. Psst. Yes, you. Yeah. Mr. Smith, are you gonna come down over here or I'm gonna get you myself, huh? I did not immigrate in this country to play like this, okay? Maria Joseph, I have way too many things to do. Elizabeth, my dear, I have your medication. Let's take it. You don't want to take your medication? Okay, so you choose. You take this